Hello friends, welcome back to Sophie's Kitchen. Today I'm whipping up a delightful treat that will surely add a touch of magic to your baking adventures, homemade brown sugar or Muscovado sugar. So grab your aprons and let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of molasses. That's just it. Just 2 simple ingredients for this sweet sensation. Now let's get started. First up, add your granulated sugar into a mixing bowl. Now here comes the magic moment. Drizzle in that rich velvety molasses. It's like adding a burst of caramel sunshine to your sugar. Now grab your trusty spoon and give it a light mix. You want to make sure that the molasses is evenly distributed, coating each and every sugar crystal with its luscious goodness. And there you have it folks, our homemade brown sugar made with a sprinkle of love and a dash of sunshine. Doesn't it look absolutely divine? For the dark brown sugar, add a tablespoon more of the molasses. Mix the ingredients together thoroughly until the molasses is evenly distributed throughout the sugar. Continue mixing until the sugar achieves a uniform dark brown color and a sandy texture. Store the homemade dark brown sugar in an airtight container at room temperature. Whether you're whipping up a batch of cookies or a decadent cake, this homemade brown sugar is sure to elevate your culinary creations to new heights. So go ahead, give it a try and let the sweetness unfold. Thanks for joining me in Sophie's Kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed whipping up some magic with me. Remember, the fun doesn't have to stop here. Try out these recipes in your own kitchen and share your delicious creations with the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cooking adventures. Until next time, happy baking.